Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix fail to create D3D device on Steam. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to go to settings, then you need to go to Windows Update and make sure you're running with the latest update. If there is an update, please download and install it. Second thing, your GPU as well. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is for me NVIDIA app. I can easily go to drivers and install latest drivers as well. Then restart your computer, look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, open up Steam. On Steam, you need to find your game that you're having problems with, and then you just need to right click on it. Then you need to go to a properties, and on launch options, you just need to write -windowed. And then launch the game in windowed mode, and when the game launches without an errors, you can in-game change your basically windowed mode to full screen, and it should work for you. That's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.